Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for FlexiFunnel purchase. So let's suppose I'm running an online store and whenever a new purchase happens in my FlexiFunnels, I want to automatically notify my team on Microsoft Teams that this purchase has happened. I completely want to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between FlexiFunnels and Microsoft Teams. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take FlexiFunnels where this new purchase will happen, and then in my action application, I am going to take Microsoft Teams where my team will be automatically notified about this new purchase. Now, if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for FlexiFunnels purchase. So here I have created a workflow automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, in which I have created a connection between FlexiFunnels and Microsoft Teams, and whenever there will be a new purchase in my FlexiFunnels, my team will be automatically notified about this new purchase in Microsoft Teams. So here let's quickly check this automation whether it is working perfectly fine or not. For that, I am going to open my checkout page in FlexiFunnels and do a test purchase there. If the purchase successfully happens there, I will be automatically notified about this new purchase here in this particular channel, FlexiFunnels purchase. So let's quickly open my checkout page. This is my checkout page, and now I am going to click on this buy now. Now in this, I am going to enter some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my name is. So here I have added my first name as new, last name as user, email address as new@pabblytudes.com. This is my phone number. The address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, country is in India, and I am purchasing this web camera, and then I have added my card details and then click on this complete order. Here I have successfully made the purchase, and this detail should be notified to my team in Microsoft Teams. So let's quickly open my Microsoft Teams, and here we can see that this person has just now made the purchase. The name is new user, email is new@pabblytudes.com. Then this was the phone number, product was web camera, and the price was of ₹500. So this is how this workflow automation will run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to notify team on Microsoft Teams for FlexiFunnels purchase. For this, we are going to create automation between FlexiFunnels and Microsoft Teams with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, but if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in, and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select my folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's quickly provide the workflow name. How to notify team on Microsoft Teams for FlexiFunnels purchase, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to notify my team on Microsoft Teams for FlexiFunnels purchase, which means whenever there will be purchase made in FlexiFunnels, my team will be automatically notified about this new purchase in Microsoft Teams, which means whenever there will be a purchase made in FlexiFunnels, this complete workflow here will get triggered because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a new purchase happens in FlexiFunnels and an action says do this, then notify my team on Microsoft Teams. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take FlexiFunnels. And then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new purchase. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and FlexiFunnels, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk, I am going to make this connection. And to make this connection, let me open my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my account, and on the top where I can see all these options, here I need to click on this products. And here these products will appear in front of me where I need to make the purchase for this web camera. So I'm going to click on this edit option, and then on the left hand side I can see the set rules. So I will open this, and then I have to click on this plus set product rules. Now when the product is purchased, I want to select this. For all the pricing options, whatever the pricing options are, then use webhook, and then I have to provide the webhook name and then provide the webhook URL. So I need to enter the webhook URL which I am provided over here in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I am going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here, and let's say the name of this webhook is test1. So whenever a product is purchased for all pricing option, then this webhook will trigger the workflow. Now I have to click on this save. So successfully added. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect, and over here I can see this waiting for the webhook response. Under this it is written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to do a purchase in my FlexiFunnels account, and if Pabbly Connect capture the details of that purchase, this means the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect, that connection is successful. So now let's quickly open my checkout page of FlexiFunnels. So this is my checkout page, and I am making a purchase of this web camera. So now I am going to click on this buy now, and then I am going to add some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my email address is latest@pabblytudes.com, my mobile number is this, address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, country is India, and then I have added my card number, and then I am going to click on this complete order. Here I have successfully made the purchase. Now these details should be automatically received and captured in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So let's open my Pabbly Connect, and here I can see that I have instantly received the response. The product was web camera. I have received the product ID, and then the price was of rupees 500. Then the phone number was this. First name was latest, last name was user, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, city was Bhopal, and the address is Old Street. So here, as soon as I made the purchase in FlexiFunnels, I received the response in Pabbly Connect, and this shows that the connection that we have created with the help of this webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and FlexiFunnels, that connection is successful. And now whenever there will be a purchase made in FlexiFunnels, I will start receiving the response here in my Pabbly Connect. Now moving on to the next step, whenever a new purchase happens in FlexiFunnels, I want to notify my team on Microsoft Teams. So here in my action application, I am going to take Microsoft Teams, and then in my action event, I am going to take this send message in a channel. Now I have to click on this connect, and if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then click on this connect with Microsoft Teams. Now over here I have already logged in my Microsoft Teams account, and that's why I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I need to click on this accept. And it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization and authorization successful. So Microsoft Teams is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is team, and then the channel, and then I have to draft the message in a way that I want to send to my channel. So here, let's open my Microsoft Teams account, and this is the channel that I have created by the name FlexiFunnels Purchase. And I want to notify my team on this particular channel, and it has been created under this Pabbly Connect Teams. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, select my team as Pabbly Connect. And then I have to enter the channel. So from this drop down, I will select my channel as FlexiFunnels Purchase. Now I need to write the message. So here I'll write, "Hello team, a new purchase has been made." So here I have drafted the message, "Hello team, a new purchase has been made through FlexiFunnels. Here are the details: name, email, phone, product and price. Thanks, regards." Now I need to enter the value to these fields. So to enter this, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from FlexiFunnels, and when I click on any of these fields, I can see this FlexiFunnels, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now I need to enter my name as latest user, so I will enter that, and then I will follow the same process and enter the email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. And then I have to enter the phone number. So the phone number was this, and then I have to enter the product. So the product was web camera, and then I have to finally enter the price. So the price was 500. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response. Now let's quickly open my Microsoft Teams and check whether I have received all these details being added and sent to that particular channel or not. So here I can see that I have received the message, and this is the same message that we have just drafted. "Hello team, a new purchase has been made through FlexiFunnels. Here are the details: name is latest user, email is latest@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number, product was web camera, and the price was 500. And I have also received this message under the same channel, FlexiFunnels Purchase." Now, so as to check this one last time, I have to open my checkout page again and make a new purchase with some other details. So let's say this time my name is admin, my last name is user, my email address is admin@pabblytudes.com, then my phone number is, then my address is Old Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and then the country is India, and then I'm going to add my card details and then click on this complete order. I have successfully made this test purchase. Now my team should be automatically notified about this new purchase. So let's open my team's account, and here I can see that I have received the message instantly. "Hello team, a new purchase has been made through FlexiFunnels," and this time the name of the lead was admin user, email address was admin@pabblytudes.com. This was the phone number, product was web camera, and the price was of ₹500. Now to summarize, we took FlexiFunnels as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We made the test purchase and received the response in Pabbly Connect, after which we moved to the next step where we wanted to notify team on this channel. So I took Microsoft Teams as my action application where I selected the team and the channel in which I want to notify my team. I drafted the message in a way that I want to send to my team, simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as these messages being sent to my channel. So we have successfully created automation between FlexiFunnels and Microsoft Teams with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.